Hey everybody, this is Ozark Prepper One. I'm out here in the garage messing around, and there's one thing I've noticed lately, the past few months mainly, since Christmas time. I've noticed that relatives and friends, anybody who has took the medicine this past year, and you know what I'm talking about, they don't seem to be there. Like before, they would engage in conversations, and now they don't. I can send a story like, hey, guess what I did this weekend? Check this out. And the answer I get will be nothing. And this is through, say, social media like Messenger or something. And it's nothing. Or just a text. If you send somebody a text and it's one of those people that got the medicine, they seem to be not there. Like your small talk doesn't matter now. Your daily life, and these are people that are family, people you've been around your whole life, 40, 50 years. I just wonder if anybody else is noticing this, or is it just me? And it's not all of them, but just some. But I don't see the same thing in people who didn't take the medicine. They all still talk. And I find it odd. It's like they're a drone now, or like they have a, a form of medically induced autism or something. It's hard to say. Let me know in the comments. So you all have a good upcoming week. Ozark Prepper One out.